Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your iPhone screen looks too warm, too cool, or inconsistent in color, True Tone is likely enabled. So in iPhone settings 2026, you can turn the True Tone off instantly to get stable fixed display colors. So useful for photos, editing, design work, or personal preferences. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to turn off True Tone on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, go to settings. Okay, tap settings. This is where all display options are managed. So scroll down and tap display and brightness. So under the brightness slider, locate True Tone. Okay, so toggle True Tone to off. It's already off in my iPhone. Okay, it's supposed to be like this, and you turn it off like this, so your screen colors will immediately stop adjusting to ambient lights. Okay, so confirm True Tone is disabled. So it's disabled once screen colors stay consistent, no automatic white balance changes, better color accuracy for pictures and videos. Display looks the same in all lighting. Okay, so no restart required. Okay, so turn off True Tone from control center. So this is a fast option, you can do it. So swipe down to open the control center, long press brightness like this, and tap True Tone to turn it off. Okay, this one, it should be like this, you turn it off like this. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys in the next tutorial.